मेरा पेट खराब है। माई स्टमक इज अपसेट। माई स्टमक इज अपसेट। मुझे एक मौका दो। गिव मी अ चांस। गिव मी अ चांस। मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। आई डोंट हैव एनी इशूज। आई डोंट हैव एनी इशूज। ये मजाक नहीं है। दिस इज नॉट अ जोक। दिस इज नॉट अ जोक। कितना समय लगेगा? हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट टेक? हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट टेक? आपकी यात्रा कैसी थी? हाउ वॉज योर ट्रिप? हाउ वॉज योर ट्रिप? तुम्हारी गाड़ी कहाँ है? वेयर इज़ योर कार? वेयर इज़ योर कार? मेरे पास एक सवाल है। आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन। आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन। मुझे अभी जाना है। आई नीड टू गो नाउ। आई नीड टू गो नाउ। यह काम कब तक होगा? When will this work be done? When will this work be done? तुमने यह क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? तुम्हारी चाबी कहाँ है? Where is your key? Where is your key? क्या तुम मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help? Can you help? अपने परिवार के बारे में बताओ। Tell me about your family. Tell me about your family. अपना हाथ धो लो। Wash your hands. Wash your hands. इतिहास खुद को दोहराता है। History repeat itself. History repeat itself. हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं। We are all with you. We are all with you. यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी है। It's my responsibility. It's my responsibility. मैं तो वैसे ही पूछ रहा था। I was asking just like that. I was asking just like that. कोई बात नहीं, मैं समझ सकता हूँ। No problem, I can understand. No problem, I can understand. अगर मैं कर सकता हूँ तो तुम भी कर सकते हो। If I can do it, you can do it too. If I can do it, you can do it too. उनकी तबीयत पहले से अच्छी है। Her health is better than before. Her health is better than before. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? दूर रहो मुझसे। Stay away from me. Stay away from me. मुझे घबराहट हो रही है। I'm feeling nervous. I'm feeling nervous. यह तुम्हारी भलाई के लिए है। It's for your welfare. It's for your welfare. चिंता करने की कोई बात नहीं। There is nothing to worry about. There is nothing to worry about. मुझे कहानी पढ़ना पसंद है। I like to read stories. I like to read stories. मैं इसके लिए जिम्मेदार नहीं हूँ। I am not responsible for this. I am not responsible for this. उसने अपनी कार बेच दी है। He has sold his car. He has sold his car. तुम अंदर कैसे आए? How did you get in? How did you get in? आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मैं पूरा प्रयास करूँगा. I will try my best. I will try my best. हम बहुत बातें करते हैं. We talk a lot. We talk a lot. मैं इस खबर से बहुत खुश हूँ. I am very glad about this news. I am very glad about this news. अपना काम पूरा करो. Complete your work. Complete your work. किसी भी तरह इसे करो. Do it anyhow. Do it anyhow. मेरे रास्ते से हट जाओ. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. जल्दी वापस आना. Come back soon. Come back soon. मैं आपके साथ डांस करना चाहूँगा. I would like to dance with you. I would like to dance with you. तुम्हारी औकात क्या है? What is your status? What is your status? तुम बहुत बेकार हो. You are worthless. You are worthless. मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ. I want to do something. I want to do something. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know me? How do you know me? यह कितने का है? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? यह तो ज़्यादा महंगा है. This is too expensive. This is too expensive. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. तुम्हें इस समय मुझसे क्यों मिलना है? Why do you have to meet me at this time? Why do you have to meet me at this time? इस वक्त हमारा मिलना ठीक नहीं होगा. It would not be right for us to meet at the time. It would not be right for us to meet at the time. हम कल मिलते हैं. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. ठीक है. Okay. Okay. जो करना था मैंने कर दिया. I did what I had to do. I did what I had to do. जो बोलना था मैंने बोल दिया. I said what I had to say. I said what I had to say. जो होना था वह हो गया. Whatever was to happen has happened. Whatever was to happen has happened. सारा खेल किस्मत का है. The whole game is of luck. The whole game is of luck. अब वक्त आ गया है. Now the time has come. Now the time has come. समय बहुत मूल्यवान है. Time is very valuable. Time is very valuable. समय किसी का इंतज़ार नहीं करता. Time waits for no one. Time waits for no one. जुबान संभाल के बात करो. Watch your language. Watch your language. मुझे तुम दोनों पसंद हो. I like you both. I like you both. कल तो पक्का मिलेंगे. We will definitely meet tomorrow. We will definitely meet tomorrow. यहाँ से जल्दी चले जाओ. Get out of here quickly. Get out of here quickly. जैसा आपने कहा मैंने वो किया. I did as you said. I did as you said. अब मैं साफ साफ बोलता हूँ. Now I speak clearly. Now I speak clearly. मेरे हाथ में दर्द है. I have pain in my hand. I have pain in my hand. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा नहीं है. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. मुझे फ्री होकर कॉल करो. Call me when you are free. Call me when you are free. मुझे गलत मत समझना. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. मैं इस बारे में सोचूंगा. I will think about it. I will think about it. तुम कितने दूर जा सकते हो? How far can you go? How far can you go? आपके आगे कौन है? Who is ahead of you? Who is ahead of you? हम इसके लिए तैयार हैं. We are ready for this. We are ready for this. आपके पिता फ़ोन पर हैं. Your father is on the phone. Your father is on the phone. क्या वो जल्दी में है? Is he in a hurry? Is he in a hurry? वो 1-2 घंटे में पहुंचने वाला है. He is about to reach in an hour or two. He is about to reach in an hour or two. मैं तुम्हें अपनी तस्वीर भेजूंगा. I will send you my picture. I will send you my picture. मैं तुम्हारे पीछे खड़ा था. I was standing behind you. I was standing behind you. नेहा कल रात एक पार्टी में गई थी. नेहा went to a party yesterday night. नेहा went to a party yesterday night. चलो लाइब्रेरी चलते हैं. Let's go to the library. Let's go to the library. मुझे अपने होमवर्क में मदद चाहिए. I need help with my homework. I need help with my homework. Thank you for watching this video and do like, share and subscribe to my channel.